When you buy a Mighty Winch, you're not just buying a machine, you're buying 75 years of experience. You're buying my personal dedication to the company. You're buying the dedication of my crew leader who makes sure that it's built properly. You're buying a product from a company that cares about what they're doing and is in it for the long run. Mighty Products manufactures powered winches and hoists, customers that need to move or lift heavy objects. Those are the kinds of things that Mighty Winches and Hoists are doing. It truly is a family business, 3 generations now. What that gives us is a depth and a breadth of knowledge. That comfort in who we are and what we do is something that comes across to the customers. It's a simple machine that works well. We don't manufacture throwaways. We have quality control procedures in place all through the manufacturing process. We make machines that you will still have 20, 30 years in some cases. All of our components are made here in-house. We're proud to be made in America. We want to serve the people that serve us. Mighty's core values revolve around customer satisfaction, doing the right thing, being honest with people, give them a level of service that they appreciate and will come back for.